Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. I am Harsha. I am a Pega trainer at Harsha Trainings. I hope all of you have attended today's Pega demo class. In today's session, we have discussed about what is Pega and what is the use of Pega. And after you learn Pega and get a job, what will be your role as a Pega learner? So all these points I have covered today. And apart from this, some general questions I have addressed in today's class. What are the prerequisites to learn Pega, all this. So in today's class we came to a conclusion and a clear picture about what is Pega, and Pega doesn't require any coding knowledge. So anyone from any background can learn Pega. That's what I have told in today's session clearly. And some of you might not have attended today's session because of various reasons, like maybe power cut, or maybe due to rain you are not able to come, or some people maybe like today is festival and you did not come. So whatever it is, like if you have missed today's session, please go through the video which we have shared you, and please reach out to us for any queries or any doubts. We are always available on 9652532753 number. And so those who have attended today's session, please continue to attend tomorrow's session. As I already informed you, tomorrow's session will be the main session where you'll be given a clear idea about what is BPM, what is Pega, and how Pega is related to BPM, architecture of BPM, and architecture of Pega. So these are the points we are going to discuss in tomorrow's class. So tomorrow's class will be the first subject oriented class. So please do not miss the session for any reason. Whatever that we discuss in tomorrow's class, all the points will be covered during the course. So during this course of 3.5 months, every topic that we are going to cover, that will be discussed tomorrow at a high level in the architecture of Pega and its features. And please do not miss tomorrow's session for any reason. All those who have attended today, please attend tomorrow, continue to attend tomorrow. And other students, if you have missed today's session, no problem, you can watch the video and continue to attend from tomorrow. Even if you are not able to watch today's video, you can continue to attend from tomorrow onwards, being tomorrow as your first class, and thereafter you can go ahead and watch the first day video after some time whenever you have you getting some free time. Okay, please make sure don't miss tomorrow's session. Okay, thank you so much for joining and attending today's session. And the same way, 11 o'clock sharp we will be connecting tomorrow, and 12 o'clock we will close the meeting, 1 hour session. And any doubts or any questions, I have given my personal number to call me. Many people have called and their doubts were being clarified related to career guidance and all. And online students, continue to attend using the same meeting link which you have used today. And classroom, please come down. Every one of you, please be available here at least 5 minutes before the 11 o'clock. Online students also connect to the meeting at least 5 minutes before 11 o'clock. Remember, 11 o'clock sharp the class will start without any delay. We don't wait for anyone. If the class timings is 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock means 11 o'clock only. You should connect 11 o'clock 5 minutes before at least, so that it will be pretty much clear. If you are missing first 5 minutes of the session, that means you cannot understand the next 1 hour session. Please kindly remember this and kindly connect at least 5 minutes before and check your mic and speakers. Classroom also, please come down at least 5 minutes before. Those who have come late today, you might not have understand anything, no problem, but watch that video which we have shared, and tomorrow we will connect. Thank you, and hope I meet all of you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye.